Hello everyone, I'm Melindy.
And I'm Natalie, and you are watching Wedding Advice by Pink Book.
So if you are a DIY bride like I was, this video is perfect for you.
Jadee McGowan from Jadee McGowan Events takes us through some expert tips on what to keep in your emergency kit for your day.
This is going to be a lifesaver. So comment down below if you maybe have some extra tips for us. But most of all, enjoy the video.
And happy planning!
I'm Jadee McGowan and I'm the owner of Jadee McGowan. I'm a destination wedding planner, and that means that we really need to have every essential item available to all our guests when they come to our weddings. So today I'm going to share a few of my favorites with you and a few tips for the DIY bride. I have these beautiful little bags which are really great. I bought them at Checkers and they're really handy, and you'll see a few of them. They come in a great kit. So this is really nice for you on your wedding day, or just grab any toiletry bag you want to. So I'm going to open it up and show you a few of my favorites, which I think are really nice for you. So the first one is stain removing wipes. They are locally manufactured from Woolworths, and they really are super good. So if anyone messes wine or they mess anything on themselves, this is really handy to have on site with you. These are your wet wipes. I carry about 5 different various wet wipes. You can see the size is super small and compact, so this means that it can go in any one of your bridesmaids bags, or it can go in a little kit that you could have at the venue. Often when you're at a venue, they sometimes have animals there, or there might be a dog wandering around and you might pick up quite a bit of dog hair. So these are really handy. These came from H&M, and these are available at Checkers now. I bought this last week. Anything small that I know that I can fit in my kit is really great and handy to have on hand in everyone's kit, and anyone that works in the wedding industry, even the photographers and videographers. Some of them carry around bobby pins, or safety pins as we call them, and these can really be used for anything. I carry a various amount of sizes around with me. These are super good if someone if a dress rips, if your tail of your dress where you want to hold your dress up, you can actually use this to tie up your dress. Clear pins, these are really nice for buttonholes, or if anyone's dress has come undone, this is really good to be able to use this, not just a normal pin. In this bag, we also have the sewing kit, and now the sewing kit is of utmost importance, and I'll tell you that as a wedding planner, we have sewn up numerous amounts of dresses. A little sewing kit is really good, and in that sewing kit, ensure that you've got all color threads, and not just all color threads, but all size needles. So it's really great to have this. And if you can, also buy a sewing kit that's ready threaded, or pre-prep your needles for your wedding day. These little sachets of tissues are super cute to keep on hand for a DIY wedding. They really are great. So next up, one of my #1 tricks, which not many people remember to do this, is the flip-flop. So this is really great to have on hand. I carry 3 sizes with me in my production bag, and that's purely for a bride that might have sore feet, a bridesmaid that might have sore feet. It's really not good to have people running around with bare feet in case there's cut glass or anything. So these are really helpful to have on hand. So the cable tie is an old and trustworthy little piece of plastic that's been around for years and is very common behind the scenes. We call this duct tape, or gaffer tape as they call it in the States, and this is really good. It comes in 3 various colors. It comes in the silver, black, and white. I even have a leopard print version, believe you me. If there's something lying that's on the floor, if there's a carpet that keeps lifting and someone keeps tripping over it, someone can tape it down. If you're finding that you've got a men's suit that is full of dust, this is really nice. You turn it around inside out and you basically use it as a dabbing, almost like the lint roller. Any nail problems, they might have false nails put on or extensions, then this is really good. Instead of nails popping off just before your photo shoot and a nail pops off because you've been busy playing with your hair, this is a really great item. And then the baby powder. So old wives' tale, but it's an item that you need to have on you in case of an emergency. You put this on your skin and it actually breaks the staticness of the actual dress against your skin. So baby powder is super good. It's also really good to stop the perspiration. Water spray. So this is the Evian one. You get various different brands here in South Africa. This one is specifically imported, or you only find it at duty-free stores. You get local ones, Uriage, all the French brands stock them at Discam, and it's really great just to freshen up. Also, what you could do if you can't get this, get your hands on a MAC fixer. Discam stocks a few different makeup fixers or refreshers, and they really are good. So whether or not it's a water one, just to hydrate your skin, plump it up again, and I promise you, you'll feel like a new person. I have this one specifically in my kit because I've used it before with brides and they've taken it home and they've loved it. So this is Real Techniques, but you get all different. You get the beauty blenders, you'll get all different versions. This one specifically that I like is two-edged and really nice to keep on hand for your makeup during the day. If, for instance, you finding yourself very hot and bothered, you can spray on some makeup fix or some of the Evian water and really take this and dab it over your skin just to settle your skin. Number one is dry hairspray. The Batiste brand is one of my favorites. You get a few different retailing brands. Also hairdressers stock a few different brands, but this is the cutest little one that I know, and it's the smallest little one, so it's handbag friendly. And this is really great for during the day. So if, for instance, you had your hair up in a beautiful up style and you want to take it down, shake it out and have it down, this is a really nice refresher for your hair and something that you can always use. So these are really nice for your bridesmaids. So in your bag on your day, if for instance you're doing DIY hair and makeup, these little guys, I'm sure all of you might know, they're available in all the retailers, and they make a great bun. It also is to fill up hair. So if you don't have hair extensions, these are really, really nice to fill up hair. And then a brush and a comb, as backup to brush out that hair. And then various hair elastics, all different colors, or not all different colors. Make sure you have for blonde hair, brown hair, and black hair. And then the same that goes with the hair clips. Ensure that you have various different hair clips available so that if, for instance, you've had a down style and you feel like you want to put your hair up, this is really, really nice to have on hand. And then going on to your makeup. So as I mentioned, I would definitely have some makeup options available. One of the things I would suggest is lip glosses and the matching lip liners. These are from Essence and they have really great colors. So they've got lots of matching lip colors and lip pencils, which is really, really nice. And then to have the eyeliners and your eyebrow pencils, and then mascara. I would definitely have a miniature kit of makeup for you and your bridesmaids on your day. One more thing that should definitely be on your day, and an important element, is the tweezer. So this is really, really nice. Not just for tweezing eyebrows, because that's not really what it's about, but it's more just about if anyone gets a splinter or if you need to, pick something out that's really, really small, this is great. And this is also really good for your eyelashes if you are wearing extension eyelashes. The eyelashes, always keep a spare set. We sometimes have guests at weddings that all of a sudden the one eyelashes has disappeared, the one eyelash it's fallen off. So this is really, really nice to be able to give them their eyelash. If they have, I'm not sure if they'd ever ask for it, but it's there, and it's also great for you to be able to use. And then with that is, of course, as I mentioned earlier on, wet wipes. These are face wet wipes, which you definitely need. And then this water is really great because it not only soothes your skin, it removes makeup and it refreshes you. Feminine hygiene products. So this is something that sometimes everyone forgets, and things do happen. So in this little kit, I have a toilet seat spray for anyone. We do then offer the Tampax as well as the panty liners. White chalk is a great option to have. It can hide marks on a wedding gown. I haven't tried this, but it happens, and it's really, really great because you can color it in. And then not only that, it's really great for children at a wedding. If you need to keep them entertained, give them the chalk and they can go play outside and really have fun. So we always suggest keeping chalk on hand. These are really, really great.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for some new content.
Ring that bell if you want to get some notifications when we post new videos. And if there's anything you'd like to see, please comment down below.
Until next time,
Happy planning!